Let me be honest with you for a second. I've been there, sitting across from someone I liked, freezing up, saying something awkward, and then replaying that moment in my head for days. If you've ever done that, this is for you. Because here's what no one really tells you. Getting your crush to like you back has very little to do with looks, money, or being the funniest person in the room. It's about psychology. It's about how you make them feel and the small signals you send without even realizing it. Most people aren't bad at this. They've just never been taught the right way. So here are some powerful psychological shifts that can change everything. First, be present more often. I used to think disappearing made me attractive. Act distant, play mysterious, avoid them to seem cool. It never worked. The truth is, the more someone sees you, the more comfortable they feel around you. Familiarity builds attraction. So don't disappear. Show up, be around, interact naturally. Let them get used to your presence. Because what feels familiar starts to feel safe, and safe turns into attraction. Second, use their name naturally. There's something powerful about hearing your own name. It makes you feel noticed, important, connected. So when you talk to them, use their name once in a natural way. Not forced, not repeated, just smooth. It creates a subtle but strong connection. Third, match their energy. Ever had a conversation that just flows? That's not random. When you align your tone, pace, and energy with someone, it creates instant comfort. Not copying, just syncing. If they're calm, stay calm. If they're expressive, open up a bit. This makes the interaction feel natural instead of forced. Fourth, ask for something small. Sounds counterintuitive, right? Instead of always trying to impress or do things for them, ask for a small favor. Advice, an opinion, a simple suggestion. When someone does something for you, their brain connects that effort with interest, and that builds attachment. Fifth, be real, not perfect. I used to think I had to be flawless, never awkward, never unsure. But that actually creates distance. What really attracts people is authenticity. If something awkward happens, don't panic. Laugh it off. Own it. Be honest. That small imperfection makes you more relatable, more human, and more attractive. At the end of the day, people don't connect with perfection. They connect with how you make them feel. So stop overthinking every move and start showing up as your real self. Because sometimes, one small moment of courage can create something unforgettable.